Welcome back to Good Books YouTube channel. Stay tuned till then to KWL. A paper plane or a paper aeroplane is a handmade toy aircraft, a glider made out of a single folded sheet of paper. The Japanese meaning for the paper aeroplane represents starting all over or throwing yourself into the future. Chinese and Japanese were the initial creators of the first folded paper gliders over 2000 years ago. Some state that Da Vinci invented them while he was working on the designs for his ornithopter. He was entranced by the idea of human flight, and it would be logical to say that he would play with paper to create an aircraft. However, the modern paper aeroplane we know and love was designed by Jack Northrop, the co-founder of the Lockheed Aircraft Corporation in the early 1930s. In recent times, paper model aircraft have gained many new and exciting designs over the years and has gained much in terms of flight performances. The aerodynamics of the paper will need to have a little drag and be light enough to defy gravity. Paper aeroplanes also uses the forces of lift and thrust. When these four forces are used in proper balance, paper aeroplanes will fly longer. Red Bull Paper Wings is a World Paper Aeroplane Championship which is held by Red Bulls under the rules developed by the Paper Aircraft Association. The competition crowns champions in three different categories: distance, hang time, and aerobatics. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.